Bizden en bir köylü meselesi su. Ana özünüz görün, mına baktastını.
This is peach. Those are apricot trees and the other ones are plum trees. Due to lack of water this year, I sold my harvest at the lowest price. I have a good harvest, but it is of poor quality. This is a very good method for areas with water scarcity. Water comes from each tube and water drips to each seedling. There is no water loss. Cost-effective and the soil fertility is also preserved.
We have just started using this system. It's easy and convenient to operate. We water 1 and 2 times a week, and our trees are not as dry as they used to be. I would like to thank you, UNDP, for supporting this activity.
As of today, drip irrigation has been provided for 40 farmers. Installation is not difficult. This is a long past stage and many farmers have been using it. At the moment, equipment costs around $800 per hectare, which is around 60,000 Kyrgyz song. While the ditch irrigation consumes around 10 tons of water per hectare, with drip irrigation, it's possible to save up to 75% of water per season. Estimates show that by introducing new irrigation technologies, the annual savings will amount to approximately 11,793 cubic meters of irrigation water. At the same time, increasing water supply coverage by 12,977 hectares of croplands.